Ouch. That would be alright. Green one.
Color coded, right?
There's the green one here.
Black ones, green ones, yes. Green ones and black ones.
Put it in back.
You want to have to move.
Red one. Put it red.
We can do this. We can do this a few ways, huh?
Like red?
No, this is fine. We're not gonna change it now. But I mean, because the awning will come out.
Yeah. Maybe you make the car like that.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Or maybe or like that, that's alright.
Hmm?
But it's good if we eat here. We have rice.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's alright. We can do that. Let's get it up. It is. Black ones. Okay.
this is not. I don't know. There's no color.
Do you remember how the tent goes up. He's sitting right where we need to do the first step.
This black?
Yes, if it's got no colour on it, it's the black one. Black goes through, and then through that loop in the middle. No. Yeah, and then no, not that one. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Put that down. We're threading this one. So.
Insert here, you have it. Silver.
I think it ever got washed last time we used it, man. That's it. Watch out. Okay. So, what's going to happen is I want that one to be pinned. So this one. Yeah. That's good.
And then the other one too.
That one's it. We need to kind of both do this at the same time. Good. Now that's already unpinned.
Yeah, I'll do this first, then you do the other side. We'll both do the other side. Huh?
Kind of need to be done at the same time.
Next.
I'm going to keep pressure on this. I want you to. Yeah. All right, just get one done first. Yep, get it in a pin. Inside pin. Let's keep in.
Yeah, it's good.
Shit.
we really need to wash it.
Bring it. Push. Yeah. When it's through, just leave it. Leave it, leave it. That's enough. This needs to go like that.
And the other side. This side.
Wait. Come this way. Under. Left. Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit further.
Hey.
What's wrong? You okay? Huh? Oi, oi. Get your slippers on. How bad? See this? What is this? What is that?
Something goes
That's metal. That's metal. It's GG or something.
No, this one no.
Come on, come on. Do this thing.
Where is the
Don't take them off. So there's ties here. Now that we've crossed those, there we can tie it on. Yeah?
Not really, but enough to
Look at the red one. There is something.
Mahal under this.
It kind of follows the line, huh?
Uh,
So once this is through there, yeah, yep, now it pushes up. And it's the second pin in the thing. Hmm? You know I've got a tripod, right?
what?
You know I bought the tripod. Tripod.
Tripod. No. What tripod? What is
Tripod.
what is that for?
For recording.
Oh,
You bought me a tripod.
why?
Because I thought you might want to use it.
Oh, the long one. Did you bring
Yes,
it?
yes.
I don't know that you bring it. Mahal, you bring it forward.
Hang on.
Yay! 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 Our tent is really already set. Mahal, that's all done. That one? This for the rain.
The front and for hoping to keep it cool as well because it creates a this go over the back. So look at that.
Not much.
Something up here.
Yeah, the wire, the thing,
Oh, okay.
like the tie.
Yep, yep. Very wet.
It's wet.
Yeah.
Oh, I think last time we came here, it's like
You put it away and it was wet. No.
oh, that's I put the yeah, the car like like that. Wow, we have a little house. Huge, I like it. Mom, there is smell. We should bring some smell.
Yeah, I've got a spray can and stuff the deodorant type thing for the house, eh?
We need to wash. I will wash it.
Yeah,
But we need to wash like water.
yeah. It needs the problem is it needs grass. We need to like set it up somewhere and then spray it down and then let it dry.
No.
But we don't have a house or grass.
No, I think it's alright. Like, there's always a way.
Okay.
We put the soap in the bucket and just slowly, but we need you and
But
me.
it needs to be able to dry though, so.
Yeah, we can hang that. You know, we have a hanger. I like dry that in the hanger like in back. Just hold it. If it's too hot, you need to hold it. And this is very easy to dry. I like it. Wow. You know what? I like it. It's not really chunky.
We need to get everything
That's right.
sized. So it goes everywhere. The wind comes in.
24 minutes
Huh?
for the live. Mahal, it's start getting windy now.
Yep. Another reason why we need to get this sorted. Eh?
Huh?
Another reason why we need to get this sorted.
What do you want me to do?
Get inside here and do the ties, get the Velcro.
Oh, I don't know.
Do it from
Maybe I'll bring stuff.
Hmm? Well,
Put the stuff inside.
can I show you what we need to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You see the Velcro?
Yeah, okay, I'll do that then. I'll do the other side.
Yeah, okay. The tie and the Velcros need to be done, huh? Please. Yeah.
How did I catch it?
Rough, maybe.
Oh, it's done.
Okay. Need to dig out the fly now.
It's out. Ah, is that correct? Ah, not this one. This one.
Yeah. That one, yeah. Always put it
How about that one?
on an angle. Angle. This.
Mahal, this one no need.
We need to really do the one that is,
Slice. Okay. Yeah.
what do you want to do?
This one is too far. You want water? Give you water. Still have the
It's your life. Okay. So if we want to park here, we want to move the forward drive. We park that way. Where you want that? If you want that, you want it inside here, because I've got a mesh floor that we can put down out here. Huh?
Perfect.
It works, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see how we go.
Jack, what is that?
Egg. The moon's already up and the sun isn't even down. It's falling apart.
What?
It's all falling down.
Falling apart. I can't put this. I don't know where is our tripod.
Here, huh? That's the shit floating there. That's your light ring.
Hi, Mahal. I love you. I love you.
Love you too. 1 million viewers, eh?
Hello, 1 million viewers.
That's right.
Welcome to my vlog.
Be careful with this, because this doesn't look like it's the song.
Yeah, it's so bad.
The song's gonna.
Now, when this still, I like.
You mute?
Nah, this one is not mute.
Oh.
If we get copyrighted, we can undo, right?
Well, yeah, mute that second. Good. We've been mounting on
Auntie already sent them. She already sent them.
where is the we used the light ring before. Where was the other thing
Hey,
you used to mount?
did you bring it?
Is that in the bag? How do you lock it in place, eh? Twist? Yeah, you want to twist it. But then you need to use where's the blue things?
Okay, I will hold this first. Okay. What do you think? The pigs is over there.
Hey, this thing's here, right?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Talk about first timer, right?
This is really perfect. Perfect spot, perfect place.
How tall do you think we are?
Huh?
So how tall do you think we are?
No, it's only that
Attacking me! Let it down, let it down. It's not attacking me anymore. We should still put Gyrex down. Happy?
very, very happy. We're not even finishing. Hi, Mahal. My honey, so sweet. Well, I feel so hungry now.
Well, you're lucky that you got, what you call it,
We have ginger beer, guys. What is that?
you have ginamos.
No, I don't have.
What is your fish?
Oh, that's my paksiw.
Paksiw. Sorry.
Mahal, I need to put this down.
Okay.
Running out of battery.
The light ring's not going to work, right?
Yeah, that's alright. Don't use that. Ah, you need to.
Stupid.